Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this banana mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the banana mutated fish is a wild bright yellow anomaly that everyone is trying to add to their collections. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So the banana mutated fish only spawn in the sunken walls. So first you just need to go to that exact locations. You've already arrived in the sunken temple actually, and for the banana mutated fish, it usually looks like a banana peel or banana skin, so you can just go out in here and try to find the fish with a banana-like skin. Or if you find it hard to find, like the weather is hazy like this, you can use your radar in here to detect the banana mutated fish. As you guys can see, it will say banana at the top of the name, so you can just catch it like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.